Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to Jay's Journal. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this makeup look. I wanted something really sultry and sexy, something that would be really good for a date night. And I just really wanted to use like the green liquid shadow from Morphe that I had, just like in my makeup collection. It's really old, but I had never used it. So I used that today on the lids. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please continue to watch. I already applied my primer. Go ahead and go in with our foundation. At first I was going to do my Maybelline this mix, of course. Instead, I'm going to actually go in with my Fenty Pro Filter foundation. And the reason why I want to use this foundation today is because I feel like it never gets used. I want to use it before it fully expires. I don't like spending money on products and then never using them. So I'm actually going to go ahead and put this on today. The reason why I don't use it is because it's like, it oxidizes so much, you guys. That is not the vibe. Does it oxidize so much? Like even in the summertime. Formula, I feel like with this, I have to buy like 2 shades and mix, because when I first put it on, it looks really good and it has great coverage. But after sitting, it oxidizes like crazy. So I'm going to try to correct it like by lightening the concealer just a little bit today and see if that helps, because I would love to be able to just use it this foundation, you know? And we're just going to go ahead and put that under our eye. And I just apply under the eye. And then I also go over top of the eyelid. You guys know the pattern, you know what I'm saying? Chin, under one side of the lip. I'm going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Let's go ahead and spray our face. It's going to help our concealer to set. And I'm going to go ahead and blend out. Make my way up to the mouth area. The mouth has been setting for some time right here. I feel like it's been a minute since I've been recording a makeup video, and it's because I'm all over the place. I've been creating so much content for my nail channel, and I don't want to neglect this channel at all. I had to hop back on here, you know. I feel like I let that set just for the perfect amount of time. Just blend out this other under eye. I did like the dermaplaning, you guys know. Those like little, you know, like the Twinkle brand, but not the Twinkle brand. They, like, it scratched up my skin. My goodness, what is this? Literally from the razor. Immediately after I used it, I just knew. I'm like, try to give me some problems. I don't have time for that. So I'm really irritated as far as that goes, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm going to go in, coming in hot pink. I kind of want to go in with a little bit of Suave Mauve, but I think I'm going to do this for now. This isn't Sweet Honey. Eyebrows. Got a powder around the mouth, especially for us who smile and we get smile lines. With a brush and set under the chin just to make sure none of that moves. Little angled brush. I'm going to use that one for blush, and then I have another angled brush that I'm going to be using for my bronzer and contour. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Tanned Bronze Palette. And I personally like to mix the two colors together. I'm just layering it right into that liquid blush. And under the chin. And then I'm just going to go in fluffy blending brush and going to go in with some of that. Lightly bring some definition into the sides of my nose. I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Volume 5 blush palette, and I'm just going to lightly my nose, on my chin. What is it called? Like the brand is like Magic from the Beauty Supply. So I got this little brown hair strokes, bristle brown. Can you guys see the little strokes? It's decent little hair strokes. So that's what I'm going to use for my brows today, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, the brows are on now. Let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the eyes. So I really wanted something like shimmery on the lids today, so that's what I'm doing. I have a Morphe liquid eyeshadow, and it's very similar to the Stila and like Janessa Myricks, but it has a little brush, I never use this. I've had it forever, like years. So I feel like now's the perfect time. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little bit. And I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Deep Dark brush to my crease. I'm going to go in with the lighter of the two, like that. And I'm going to get one more smaller eyeshadow brush. Just a brush like this will work. And then we're going to go, I'm just going to go in and work that right here into the crease, like right into that socket really. Just to, as I would want it to be black, so working that darker of the two right enough. Now what I'm going to do, and with this from Morphe, this is in the color Ignite. You guys, this is from an old holiday collection that I picked up from Morphe like years ago. So I picked this up with Morphe a long time ago, so I know you guys won't be able to get it necessarily, but hopefully they drop it again because it's so bomb. I've used the other colors that came. This one is like red, one is more gold, but this is so pretty. So this is what it's going to look. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how pretty that is. Like, come on. This is bomb. You see that? Hopefully this is still good because I have not used. Blend out the edges of this a little bit, and I'm going to use that same brush that I used to put the deeper of the two shades on. Let's just slightly blend out those edges. Just like that. Oh, that looks so good. It's so sultry. It's giving date night. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Like, I know I've never used this, but I hope it's still good. My Stila ones I've used, and that may not be great. I did go through like all of the older ones recently, but ooh, I think I might do a little black on the waterline today, you guys. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling it. Either black or brown. Probably brown, though. I don't know. Just blending out those edges. Long-lasting eye pencils. These are waterproof, and just tightline my eye. I love these pencils. They remind me of MAC, my MAC eyeliners. Like the black one reminds me of Graph Black. And that's how the liner is. I have it smudged down just a line, so I'm just going to softly blend this and then bring it into the inner corner as well to create like a little bit of a peak in the front, and then drag out a little, creating like a little flick, almost as if we have on a wing eyeliner. And yeah, that is essentially what the eye look is going to look like. Let me zoom in more. You guys see that? You see? Should come out like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this to my other eye. Ooh, gotcha. So again, like that. And then I'm using my little Tom Ford palette, so the little bronzy and champagne color that I have here. This palette is the Honeymoon. I have this I honestly got this like a year and a half ago. To pop that right here, right below that flick, and then a little right above it, like that. Now we need to do something with the lashes. I'm thinking I'm going to do some like press. I really want a lot going on with my lashes today, but I may and just like do partial. Let's see. Really like, I went and this is lash like on the tray, and this is what the lashes look like on the actual tray. I used 2 of the 14s on there. I actually need to get some more of the Glam Day Extreme, because I also like to mix that with like my Everyday Wispy from Press and Go. They're just so pretty. You don't have to do much, and I feel like this is really convenient because I'm not waiting on glue to dry or anything like that. So like that, and then we're just going to add one more. And again, space in between the two. Secure it. Using my Tweezerman tweezers instead of the lash applicator because all and it doesn't get in the way, and it's just quick and easy. But it's super quick and convenient. Like, don't overthink it. I'm using the e.l.f. Lash Extender Mascara. You guys know I've been religiously ever since I purchased it, and I really, really like it. So I'm just applying it on my natural lashes here in the front where it meets with the extension. Otherwise it just looks like lash like space. So, no, I'm not going to do mascara on the bottom. I'm going to leave it clean. So, I'm going to go ahead and start with my lip combination. And today, with that, I had to work off my lip conditioner first. You see, I don't know if you guys can, the lighter concealer balance out my face. It helped tremendously. Let's go ahead and do the lip combo. So what I like to do is either Chai Latte by LA Girl Colors, or this Ruby Kisses lip pencil, or my Limitless Brown by Makeup Forever. And I think I'm going to do Limitless Brown today. I have not picked it up in forever. A new Estee Lauder pencil sharpener. And let's go ahead and sky up. Smear it on, really blend that lip liner out. Boom. Lip liner applied. Just gonna go in with probably like a nudie gloss. This used to be a great combo. Oh, what? This used to be a great combo with Chestnut by MAC, but this is on the lip. As you can, pale pink. I'm gonna rub the two together. I'm just going to pat that on top to add some additional shine. The ones that wear lip combos know, like, your clear gloss is always going to be foggy, especially because you're like always mixing it with color. So if you mix it with a brown lip liner, you know, y'all know. I'm going to go ahead, do one final spray look. So I'm taking the continuous setting spray again, and we're just going to go ahead and a little bit of a fan, and I'll be right back. Excess powder. Me personally, I'm not really worried about that. But yeah, if you use a lot of powder and you baked, make sure to dust the powder off. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I just did like some chunky waves to my hair using my Remington waver. I will try to link that in the video as well for you guys. But yeah, this is going to be the final look. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this nice sultry date night makeup. And if you guys have any questions or know something that you want to see in the future, please comment that down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.